Ches Moulton, the Stress Master, is the UK's leading authority on stress management. His career has spanned more than 25 years, during which time he has been a much sought-after executive coach, psychotherapist, and trainer. His most recent work has focused on helping those with elevated levels of stress overcome their problems and enjoy productive lives, free from both the physical and mental consequences of chronic stress. During his time as a business performance consultant, Ches has served as an advisor to both private businesses and government in Canada, the Caribbean, United Kingdom, Africa, and the Middle East. He is the author of the international bestseller, Choice and Change: How to Have a Healthy Relationship with Ourself and Others. He is also a contributor to Fit for Leadership #3. His latest book, How to Get Control of Your Stress Instead of Stress Controlling You, is now available on Amazon worldwide.
I'm Buki Amorege. I work out of Ajosa Diogun. I'm in GT Bank UK. I'm the country manager for GT Bank UK. For me personally, when I came to this training, I was like, another motivational training. I tried to push some unrealistic ideals down your throat. But I mean, one day into the training, I couldn't imagine the amount of self-awareness that the presentation brought to me. There's so many things that I thought, I was alone in the world. Nobody knows I do that. It opened my mind. It created so much. It was internal. Let me just say the change that this course has brought to me is very internal. Unlike so many motivational sessions you go for that are mostly external. I'm happy because I think I'm going to come out of this. I've come out of this training a better person, even a better leader, and even thinking about who I am. I'm definitely certain of who I am coming from this session. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. My name is Samuel. I work out of retail. I'm a salesperson and also a team lead. And one of the things I've really appreciate this course for is because, I have an understanding that you cannot be a leader if you don't understand yourself. What this training has been able to do is to help me discover myself personally. There are certain things I used to do before that I never knew were so important, but this course has been able to open my eyes. I've been able to understand my personality traits. I've been able to understand my leadership abilities, my learning skills, and the learning styles that is well applicable to me. And I hope to take this back, to use to motivate my team members. I have also learned the essence of good communications and listening skills. This training has also helped me to discover that I'm a more motivated person right now after this training, and I hope to recommend this training for more people. Anyone that aspires to become a leader, to lead a team, this training is actually going to be a worthwhile experience for you. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Aubrey Roberts. I work out of CI Central, so we coordinate customer service bank-wide. For me, this leadership program has taught me several things, going from listening skills, how to set goals, what is expected as a leader, and then it also differentiates what a leader is and a boss. So for me, I'm going out with taking away how to go set goals, achievable goals for my team. Also, how to understand every member of my team, the ones that are good visionary visuals, the ones that prefer to have audible, and the other sets, sorry, I've forgotten. So for me, this training has impacted a lot to my life. I'll recommend it for everyone that wants to know how to better lead these people. Thank you.
My name is Justice. I work out of the legal group. I found this training most enlightening. I had reservations initially on the applicability to what I do in another jurisdiction different from where Ches is coming from. But I found the topics on communication, constructive communication, very helpful. And then the problem-solving techniques. As a legal officer, I deal with problems from diverse places at different times. And this has helped me map out, if you will, the strategic system for solving my problems and leading my colleagues as well. Indeed, I recommend this program to all and anyone who wants to be a good leader and also teach followers to be a good leader. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Batula. I work out of marketing department, Retail 1 Medjugorje. I have learned a lot from this training, and it's a training I recommend GT Bank to maybe do more of, so that we can develop more and more of our leadership skills. One thing I've learned from this training is the practical aspect of effective leadership. The training has opened my eyes to a lot of things. It has taken me like on a journey through within, and helped me to identify the things that I need to do more of as a leader, and the things that I need to do less of. It has impacted me basically both personally and professionally, and it's something I'm going to take back to my location and begin to apply, so that we're going to have better and more effective results going forward. One of the best things that I identify with in the training is how Ches Moulton was able to relate the things we do on a daily basis to the football profession, and how, as a coach, coaches in the football, in the soccer league, take their people from the zero motivation to the peak of their performance, and they go out there and achieve results. That's something I'm going to take back with me to my location, and see that we have better results. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Obiora is my name. I work out of Retail Outchi. Well, I must say the training has been very insightful and enlightening. It met at least all my expectations. You know, basically as a marketer, we're faced with so many challenges in the job. You know, too many bureaucracies, and this tends to affect your performance most times. But what I learned from this training is that you don't really need to focus on those challenges. You have to focus on the positive aspect of it and work on it. And secondly, you need to focus on the things you are willing and able to change, rather than focusing on the bureaucracy of the processes, how things cannot work. You focus on what you can change. Focus on your attitude. Focus on things that will improve yourself. And I think it's really an eye-opener. And also, I learned that we need to set smart goals, clear goals, and pure goals. Formerly, before, I just know about the smart goals, but now I know you need to set clear goals and also pure goals. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Okiki Boluchoko. I work out of operations, that's in Ondo State. I really enjoyed this training. What I learned, basically, listening skill and communication. I work in a unit whereby I interface a lot with customers and staffs alike, so it's going to help me understand more and pay more attention. And also, the beauty of the training, what I'm taking out, it's not just limited to what I do on the job. I can use it in my personal life, and it's going to make me understand my colleagues, my subordinates, how to deal with my superiors, how to understand them, how to communicate better. The major thing I'm taking out of it is whatever I focus on, I give power to. So it's either I focus on what is in front of me, which is a positive, or I keep looking backward, where that way I will make progress. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Ches Moulton. I work out of the card operations unit of the bank. This training has been a very enlightening moment in my life. It's been a journey also to self-discovery, in the sense that I've been able to profile myself, my learning style, my communication style, what best suits me as a learner, what best suits me as a communicator, how I effectively communicate best. And it's much more importantly is the fact that the delivery of the course, was fantastic, plus the fact that the course, the moderator also had a very good sense of humor. And at the end of the training, I think I'm much more motivated than I was before coming into this training. Aside that, I think I also know myself better now, and much more than that, I can also assess people I work with better, so we could have better relationship. And as you all know, the relationship would good relationship will lead to more efficiency and better productivity at work. Thank you.